Yeah, welcome. I'm super excited to show you DocsAutomator's new embedded templates experience. How it was before is if we get to the template creation part, and I'm just selecting just some data source, for instance, API. If you get to the template creation part, we were just grabbing a template from our Google Drive account, and then we had to edit the template in a separate window. DocsAutomator now allows for editing documents inside of DocsAutomator, so you don't have to leave your current browser window, and a few additional cool features. So you see these three options here. You can import an existing template, you can start a new one from scratch, or you can go and grab one from template library. Let's do the start from scratch option here. We click on design template. You see like a completely new editor opens. You see my face here in the corner, but we can also minimize this. And then you see that we have this embedded experience now inside of your current browser window. You can change the title here just as you would in a regular Google Doc, but you can also change any data here. So far, so good. The main benefit of this is you don't have to switch context. You don't have to go to a new browser window. But here on the right side, we have little helpers that help with getting the syntax right, because the syntax is something that has to be learned and is something where errors are made. And I highly encourage you to use these three helpers here on the side. For instance, for text placeholders, you just say, for instance, new placeholder, and then you can copy it. It says, I copied this now, but as you saw there, it's also adding, if I go here and paste this now, it's also adding double curly brackets around it. So you don't have to type that out anymore. You can just go here on the right, copy it, and paste it on the left. For image placeholders, same thing. You just say, I have a logo I want to add, and this is gonna then give the image prefix. So if I add this, I sort of get the image prefix automatically. And maybe the most powerful feature here is the line items part, where basically I click on this and then get this overlay where I can design my line items table / row. So let's say in my case, I have three columns. Say first one, I want to add a product and then amount and then total, for instance. Yeah, I also want to add a header row where I just copy these. So this will be added as static text in the header row, and this is how variables will be called. If I add this now, it automatically knows that I already have an existing line items table, and it's going to add this line items table as the second line items table. So that way it's much easier to add line items and new line item tables / rows to your documents. And I highly encourage you to use this helper here on the right side and check it out.